Good morning. My name is Kyung Hwa. Today I will present about the manufacturing process. Topic is water jet machining. Water jet machining, sometimes known as water jet cutting, it's a non-traditional machining method that removes material from the workpiece surface using a high-velocity water jet. Softer materials such as plastics, rubber, and wood can be sliced with water jet machining. An abrasive ingredient is put in the water to cut tougher things like metals or stone. Abrasive water jet machining is when an abrasive substance is employed in the water for the machining process. Hydraulic pump. During the machining process, it is utilized to circulate water from the storage tank. Water is delivered to the intensifier at a low pressure of roughly 5 bars by the pump. In addition, a booster is utilized to raise the initial pressure of the water to 11 bar before it is delivered to the intensifier. Hydraulic intensifier. It is used to boost water pressure to extremely high levels. It gets water at 4 bar from the pump and raises the pressure to 3000 to 4000 bar. Accumulator. The waste and machine particles from the water are removed from the water using the drain and catcher system after the machining. It filters out the metal particles and other undesired particles from the water before returning it to the reservoir. Hydraulic unit is vacuum chamber where abrasive particles and water are mixed together. Control valve. It regulates the water jet's pressure and direction. Flow regulator or valve. With the aid of the flow regulator, the water flow may be controlled. Nozzle. In water jet machining, it is a device that converts the pressure energy of water into kinetic energy. The nozzle turns the water jet pressure into a high velocity water jet beam. The nozzle tip is composed of rubber or diamond to keep it from eroding. Drains and catcher system. The waste and machine particles from the water are removed from the water using the drain and catcher system after the machining. It filters out the metal particles and other undesired particles from the water before returning it to the reservoir. Advantage of water jet machining: it is capable of producing complex and intricate cuts in materials. The work area in this machining process remains clean and dust-free. It has soft operating and maintenance costs because it has no moving parts. The thermal damage to the workpiece is negligible due to not heat generation. It is environment friendly as it does not create any pollution or toxic product. Disadvantage: it is used to cut softer materials, but abrasive water jet machining can cut harder materials of limited thickness. Very thick material cannot be machined by this process. The initial cost of water jet machining is high.